Alright, what's going on YouTube? Indigo 392 here. It's 9:15 p.m. and I'm about to go to this Downriver Meets Carmeet. I'm about to go check it out, see what's popping, and I'll probably catch you guys when we're on the road with it. Alright, peace. Alright, I'm on my way. It's only 11 minutes away. I'm glad I'm not crazy far from it too. That's another reason I wanted to come out, cause like I don't really go to car meets. I'm trying to go out, pop out more, and like network with a couple people and meet new people. So decided to try it out. Let's see how it goes. You guys are gonna witness it with me. So alright, 10 minutes away. I'll probably pick you guys up when we're there. Alright, peace. Damn, I think that's that guy's car. Alright guys, I got here. I'm about to see what's going on out here real quick. Alright, I'll get you guys when we're out. Peace. Damn, the police are here. Damn, bitches. God damn. That shit's done for. Yo, that shit blew up down the road. Through the trail. That bitch up. Damn, son. Alright, the
party's Taylor.
The party's over.
Go to Southgate.
But hey, nah.
Taylor.
Nah. Damn, we outside. Alright, we're probably out of here, guys. The cops came, finally shut it all down. So we're gonna be out of this bitch. It was a good day. Boys shutting it down in town. It's over with. But we're about to be on the road now. Alright guys, maybe we'll catch you guys later, so I'll pick you guys back up. Peace. Alright, I guess we're rolling out here. We're rolling out. head to a Buffalo Wild Wings. So we're about to go ahead and do a B-dub real quick. After it got shut down, we're cruising there right now. We're making it. Made it here. There's the B-dub stuff. Guy here, everyone's pulling up now. They don't stop now. Uh-oh, they're pissed already. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
None of those carmeets.
Dude, nah. They ain't feeling it. Alright guys, I was at the second spot. Cop shut it down. Look, they're back there. He's for sure running my place, but you know, we not in no strikers, so we out of here. Probably gonna go bounce out of here. Hit the deuces. Yeah, we'll probably be out of here. Everyone's talking to the cops, but I don't know what's going on. But probably gonna be out of here. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the road. Peace. Alright guys, I'm on my way home now. It was a dope car meet, I'll say, until the cops came, but I'm for sure popping out to the next ones, cause that was dope. But yeah, I'll probably pick you guys up. If anything, I'm just gonna be on the road here. It's hot out. Alright, but I'll see you guys when I pick you back up. Peace. Alright guys, what's going on? Ate at home. She's up for the night. It was a good night. And I'll probably catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Indibo392. Peace.